2012 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, trip computer, rear window defroster, fog lights, electronic stability control, security system, CD player, compass, power windows, remote keyless entry. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.